Hey y'all, it's David Marah, the Coils Coach, and I am back with another video. Now, I don't even know how to tell this story, but I gotta tell my story, okay? Whew! Now, maybe a year or a year and a half ago, I did a video about hair color, how you gotta be patient with your hair, how you gotta work with it, it takes time to get used to, things like that, maintenance, all that good stuff, right? Y'all, I knew this was gonna happen. I heard this was gonna happen. I even read that this happened. But some way in my mind, I thought I was exempt, that it was not gonna happen to your girl. I thought I was safe. You hear me? But no, don't save her. She don't want to be saved. Don't save her. She don't want to be saved. That's what my hair had said to me, child. That's what my hair said when it started breaking off. Listen to me carefully now. Because I'm going to keep it real with you. I'm real and I'm honest, y'all. I did not believe my eyes when my hair started popping off, okay? My hair was doing the pop, lock, and drop it, period. Now, listen, when you dealing with hair color, you don't know when it's going to be your turn. But just know, just wait. Now, I've had an array of colors. I've had blonde hair, I've had burgundy hair, I've had platinum hair, orange hair, I've had ombre, light the dog, whatever the case may be. So I didn't see when it was breaking off prior to this. I've always had a different shape or a bob shape or an undercut. So I never really paid attention because every time I turned around, I was cutting my hair off. But it wasn't until last year when Miss Rona hit that I had all this free time on my hands. And I was like, yo, my hair. What? My hair! Child, my hair was breaking off at the line of demarcation like it was nobody's business, okay? If you don't know what the line of demarcation is where your natural hair color meets the chemical colored part. Yeah. Bloop. And at that time, my line of demarcation from the root was about this big. So, baby, I had this much of my natural hair that did not have the chemical. Child, I was walking around here looking like patchy. Like, patchy. Again, I have a lot of hair, so you couldn't tell, but I knew it was there. But luckily, during this time, I had already developed my strengthening hair oil that promotes growth. It strengthens the hair. It tries its best to eliminate split ends and breakage, okay? Baby, this is a multi-purpose oil that I got right here. It also rejuvenates the scalp to promote more cells, to push more hair through the follicles. Baby, I did my research, okay? Because what I'm gonna do the research. But that's neither here or there, that's for another video. Back to the color, y'all. I was so disheartening because that's my staple. I love blonde hair. Like, I love how the blonde pops off of my skin. It just makes me feel like a natural woman, okay? One day I'm gonna be serious, because this is a serious story here, because I gotta take a break. I really have to take a break. Just allow my hair to grow out. Because I really want to see how my hair do in its natural state without the chemical. Yes, permanent color is a chemical, and it is a chemical that I love. Because at first, it elongated my curls without me trying. Meaning the shrinkage, I didn't really have that much shrinkage. Man, this is new, baby. This is new to me. But I'm just here to stand with all my other sisters and brothers who have used permanent color and who have had their hair to fall out. I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like. But I also know how to bounce back. That's why I have the Coils Coach Strengthening Hair Oil for purchase. Yes, you heard me, baby. Slide on over to my DMs on Instagram or Facebook to get yourself a bottle. Now, here is the big question. Will I get color again? And the answer is yes. Yes, I will, but I will do it differently. I will not get a full head of color. I would just do highlights like I did in the beginning. Because when I got the highlights in the beginning, my texture stayed the same and it wasn't hardened. But when I got the full color, like all over the head, that's when I started noticing my hair was hardened. Oh my God, the thing would get tangled so bad at that line of demarcation, and it just made me want to get a low boy. But yes, I will get color again. Yes, I have products that will keep your hair juicy, growing, and looking flawless. Thank you guys for listening to my quick story about hair color. Bear with me, y'all. This is all new. But I love you guys so much. Thank you all for tuning into my video. I hope it made you laugh, baby. I hope there was some purpose in my pain. And I hope you all have a great day. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be back with some more videos, child. Don't miss me too much.